In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently clear all cells with data in your spreadsheet while leaving cells containing formulas intact. This is a handy trick, especially when you're working with large spreadsheets and want to ensure that only the raw data gets reset to make room for new entries, while the existing formulas stay exactly as they are. Let's begin by opening up your spreadsheet. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is select the specific cells or range of cells that you're looking to clear. This could be a small section of your spreadsheet, or perhaps the entire sheet, depending on your needs. Once you've highlighted the desired area, you're ready to dive into the next part of this process. Next, head over to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Find and Replace. If you're a frequent user of spreadsheets, you might already be familiar with this utility, but today we'll give it a bit of a twist to suit our purpose of clearing specific data. Now, in the Find box, you'll need to type in a specific expression, which is this: caret, open square bracket, caret equals, close square bracket, dot, asterisk. It might look a bit complex at first glance, but let's break it down quickly. This regular expression is basically a pattern telling your spreadsheet application to identify any cell that doesn't start with an equal sign, which indicates it isn't part of a formula. Essentially, this expression zeroes in on data entries that you want to clear. Once you've got that typed in, it's important to adjust a few settings to make sure the process runs smoothly. Start by checking the box that reads Search using regular expressions. This ensures that the spreadsheet app interprets the text you've entered as a pattern to look for, instead of just a series of characters. After that, tick Match Case. This setting ensures that the search is precise, considering even the capitalization of letters if relevant. Finally, don't forget to also check Also Search Within Formulas, as this guarantees that your search encompasses the entirety of each cell, just to be certain that no part of your formulas gets touched. With these settings in place, it's time to execute the replacement. Click on Replace All, then Done, and just like that, all the cells containing data within your specified range are cleared, while any formulas are preserved unchanged. Finally, close the dialog box and take a moment to verify that the transformation looks right. You should now have a nice, clear dataset area ready for fresh input, with all your important calculations still intact and ready to be used with any new data you enter. This technique can really streamline your workflow and help maintain the integrity of your formulas whenever you need to wipe data clean. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these tips helpful.